and we tend to take the approach of having AI as a helper, but it's not going to do everything for you. You want to stay secure in everything that you're doing.
And for any businesses that find it daunting, because interesting stats coming from like some of the sessions, like that only 60% of New Zealand, like sort of small, medium businesses are even had not even started or thinking about AI. So how do you support customers in that journey?
I mean, it's part of what we do. We provide AI included with the platform, and it's very safe, minimal AI. You can branch it out to go further and do more, and it leverages the data that you have. So we can show people how it works. People can start off with, they can pick and choose the features that they want to start using, turn more on later, and just generally introduce it into a business in a safe way where it's not going to affect their overall processes that they're working with. It'll just help them along the way. And then as they get more comfortable with it and more confident in it, we can then expand that out to, drive their automation a bit further as well.
Yeah.